Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what is the smallest number that must be subtracted from 586 to get a perfect square? Now, firstly, let us find the square root of 586 by long division method. Okay. 586. Group these digits. Okay. Then here, before 5, there is a perfect square 4, which is 2 square. So here we can take a 2. Then 2 2s are 4 here. Here 5 minus 4 is 1. Move this 8 6 down. Then to get a next number, add this 2. So it is 4. Now near to 186, we can check here 4. So 44 4s are 176, which is less than 186 or nearest to 186. So it is 10. Now here we can observe that 10 is the remainder. So we know that if we subtract the remainder from the number, we get a perfect square. Okay. Perfect square. Here we get remainder. We get remainder 10. Get the remainder 10. Therefore, 10 must be subtracted from 586 to get a perfect square. Okay. Therefore, 586 minus 10, it gives 576. Hence, the square root of 576 is 24, and the smallest number is 10, which can be subtracted from 586 to get a perfect square.